My name is Zagwe Yuta Sobotamu Kennedy. I come from Cameroon. I represent Young Diplomat Cameroon International Organization, and I'm also a contract worker at the National Institute of Statistics of Cameroon under the Ministry of Economic Planning and Regional Development. I attend the course in the first place because it's an issue that is really primordial in the development of the African country, particularly Cameroon. You have had a lot of land dispute, land conflict, and we really need to resolve this problem. And that is why I came, in order to acquire knowledge and solutions to be a solution pathfinder to these problems. In the first place, I have learned that land should be something that should be a shared commodity, so much so that each and everyone can have access in order to carry out economic and socio-cultural activities. And more to that, the government should also protect its communities as pertain land issues, so that most foreign multinational corporations that come to invest should not overtake from the community maybe and rob them of their right. I have also learned that women should be given more rights and priorities as pertain land governance and issues of land. And they should also be empowered to form a cooperative in order to take on development projects that can boost them and also boost the economy of our country. And lastly, I've also learned in this course that is the same problem that Africans are facing. So if us Africans can come together with the heart of states, and we can look onto problems that is causing issues in Africa, I believe that Africa will be a more peaceful continent tomorrow. Firstly, I am first of all developed personally, which is very primordial. I believe the former president of South Africa, late President Nelson Mandela, said education is the most powerful instrument with which a world can be changed. And to educate a person is to develop a country. So primordially, firstly, I stand as a catalyst of development to my community. And secondly, going back to my country, I'm going to impact on the youth in order to be solution bringer to issues of land governance. Not only the youth, but also to be a consultant, act as a consultant to the Cameroon government as pertain land issues, going also to communities to see how we can solve intertribal or ethnic conflict as regard to land. Because in Cameroon, we have problems between the northerners when it comes to grazing. We have also problems with the natives that have autonomy over land. So it is a call for concern. And I believe that I can act as an advisor, as a consultant to them, so that I can make them see the importance of land to their community and what it can bring to them if it is properly used. And lastly, I'll organize seminars, conferences, and forums to students, to youth, and to future researchers, and even as much as possible to invite other technocrats in the field of land governance, so that they can share with the people of Cameroon to train future leaders that can take up future challenges and issues of land governance. Thank you.